Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to take off a case of your phone if you have one on. From there, locate the tray, put the pen in and push it. You'll see that the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you will have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. So there we go. Now, once the cards are in place, carefully insert them back into the device. And these cards should start working almost right away. So SIM card already works, as you can see. It told me to put in my SIM card pin, and SD card is working as well. So we can see it right here, unsupported SD card. I think my SD card is actually broken now, but normally when you insert it in, it should just work. For me, it's been giving me on different devices that it's unsupported or some error occurs, so yeah. There we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.